Hello and welcome back to Humanizer, our free and open source 3D character creator plugin for Godot 4. I've put a link to the repository in the description if you want to check it out. As you can see, we have the facial motion capture working, so you can sync the app on your phone with the character in Godot and record the animations. So I'll show you quickly how to use that. So once you have the Humanizer plugin installed in your add-ons folder, you can go to the scenes and open up authoring.tscn to get the default human. Then you'll need to change the rig to the default retargeted. And if you don't see this menu, just click on the main node in the inspector. So once you have the face bones from the default rig, you can enable on the face cap node, enable the mocap streaming. So on Android, there's the MeowFace app, and on iPhone is the iFacial mocap TR is the free version, and then they have a paid version as well, which I assume will work. But then once you have the port set and you enable the streaming, then it can stream the shape keys directly to Godot. So I did have to set in the settings, I had to set the target IP of my computer, so you may have to do that. And if you're using MeowFace, the port will be like 5200 or something, so you'll just want to look in the settings and make sure you have the right port. Then you'll probably want to set the left and right eyeball as well as the teeth and tongue, so it's easier to see the animations. And you can set the skin to the special suit or equip eyebrows, either way. As you can see, it has a pretty wide range of motion, so you can raise the eyebrows and close the eyes independently, and you can look up and down, left and right, and you can puff up the cheeks or stick out the tongue. So there's quite a bit. There are some limitations just from the software, so like you can't raise one eyebrow with this app, but that would be possible if the app was streaming that data. Also, with the iFacial mocap, the head angles to look around are in a different format, so we just haven't converted that yet. But if you're using the MeowFace, then the character will look around with you as well. And I am working on implementing that for the iFacial mocap. And if you change the character's gender or if you set the age, you can see that the mocap is still working for the characters, so that's pretty cool. So to make this all work, you can see that Matt has created the arc shape keys for each expression. So there's, I think, 52 of them, but so these are skeleton positions saved as animations in the face poses library, and then using the animation tree blend spaces, you can see that we add in every single animation as its own node. And then in the code, we just set the shape key the animation tree parameters at the blend shape value, at the blend shape name equal to the value from the app. So this should work pretty much with any face capture app. So let us know if you're using a different one and if there's any issues. And if you want to record an animation, like if you have the NPC lines to match up with the voice actor's face, you can use the recording option, which will save the animation to the target library. So Matt has made a video explaining that more in detail, and I'll put a link to the Ember Light Studios channel in the description where you can learn about that if you want to know more. And before I go, I did want to thank Terrence and Artigus for donating to the Patreon. We really appreciate the support, and it helps us add more features and keep this free and open source. So if you would like to donate to the project as well, I'll put a link to the Emberlight Studios Patreon in the description. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.